So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create unsubscribe link on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this website right here, log into your account right here. Now select this profile icon and now select this access Zoho CRM. After getting on the home page, select this settings icon, go with this option called web forms and select this section right here called unsubscribe link. Now select this button right here called new unsubscribe link and give a name to your unsubscribe link. We'll go with Maggie. Now select these settings right here, which is location URL and action on unsubscribe. And after filling all of these details, now just select this save button right here. And just like that, you guys have now successfully created your own unsubscribe link on Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.